Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 5. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and enjoying good health in these days. In the previous lecture we have discussed polygon and its types. In this video we will learn what is mean. Today our topic is mean. Statistics help us to collect information in numbers. It helps us to arrange and present the information in tables, bar graphs, line graphs and pictograms. It helps to apply the methods to find the results about the information collected, such as calculating the mean, median and mode. What is mean? Mean is the calculated central values for all the values. We can find mean by dividing the sum of values by the number of values. Let's take example. Marks scored by Sarah in 5 different assessments during a term in mathematics. In test 1, she got 4 marks out of 10. In test 2, she got 10 out of 10. In test 3, she got 8 marks. In test 4, she got 6 marks and in test 5, she got 7 marks. Mean is calculated by sum of values divided by number of values. We can find the mean score by adding all these values. The marks of test 1 is 4 and she got 10 marks in test 2. So we will write 10 after 4. Then in next test she got 8 marks. We will add 8 in them. In test 4 she got 6 marks. We will add 6 in it. And in test 5 she got 7 marks. So we will add 7. As according to the formula, we have to divide sum of values by number of values. So there is the sum of values. We will divide it by number of values, that are 5. Now we will add all these values 4, 10, 8, 6 and 5 and we get 35 by adding them. And we will divide them by the number of values, that is 5. Now we will divide 35 by 5. 5 into 7 we get 35 and here we are left with 0. It means 7 is the mean answer. If we divide the sum of values by number of values we get 7. 7 is the mean score of Sarah in 5 assessment of mathematics. Here we have another example. A batsman scored 28, 56, 100 and 0 in a series of 4 one-day cricket matches. Another batsman scored 48, 54, 75 and 75 in the same series. We have to find the mean to know whose performance was better through the series. To find an answer, apply the method of finding the mean for both the players. To find the mean score of first batsman, we have to find the sum of values. It means we will add 28, 56, 100 and 0. And we will divide it by number of values. Yes, these are 4. Next step is we will add all these numbers 28, 56, 100 and 0. And we get 184. And we will divide it by 4. We have to divide 184 by 4. First digit is 1. So we will take first 2 digits, that are 1 and 8. That makes 18. 4 into 4 we get 16. Because we cannot find 18 in the table of 4. Now we will subtract 6 from 8. And here we are left with 2. If we subtract 1 from 1, we get 0. As there is no more digit on the right side, so we will not write this 0 here. The next digit is 4. we will write 4 after 2. Now 4 into 6 we get 24. If we subtract 24 out of 24 we get 0. If we divide the sum of values by the number of values, we get 46. 46 is the mean score of first batsman. Now we will find out the mean score of second batsman. We can find it by adding all these values. We will add 48, 54, 75 and 75, and we will divide it by 4 because number of values are 4. Here the sum of values we get is 252. Now we will divide 252 by 4. If we divide 252 by 4, we can see that first digit is 2 and that is not divisible by 4. So we will take first two digits, that are 2 and 5. It makes 25. As 25 is not exactly divisible by 4. 4 into 6 we get 24. If we subtract 4 from 5 we get 1. And if we subtract 2 from 2 we get 0. Now we have only 1. We will write the next digit, that is 2. It makes 12. 4 into 3 we get 12. And if we subtract 12 out of 12 we get 0. If we divide 184 by 4 we get 63. 63 is mean score of second batsman. A better score is a better performance. Therefore, the second batsman performed better through this series. In this video we have discussed mean. In the next video we will learn about the median. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.